Do you want to learn to color and create professionally with Copic markers? Whether you're a manga artist, comic artist, illustrator, or crafter? I'm Scott Harris, professional illustrator, painter, and artist, and my art courses have taught tens of thousands of creatives the skills they need to reach their dreams, and I can teach you too. Take your creativity to the next level with the amazing power of Copic markers. Just click the button below to get started now. Over 10 hours of in-depth training will teach you to use Copic markers professionally, whether you're young or old, a manga artist, illustrator, or crafter, a beginner, or you have some experience. From absolute Copic marker basics such as clean fills and multicolor blending, to advanced Copic techniques including multiple marker layering and tip-on-tip blending. Learn at your own pace, anywhere and on any device. I'm so confident that my course will teach you to use Copic markers to a professional level. There's even a 100% money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Thousands of students have made their creative dreams a reality. What are you waiting for? Sign up now with the button below, risk-free, and let's get started.